Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kent County and central Delaware, central Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Denton, or 14 miles southeast of Centerville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Harrington, Greensboro, Ridgely, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Griffin, Sandtown, Andrewsville, and Hillsboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and Caroline, Maryland. The following is a severe